Hello everyone, and welcome to my showcase of the party system I've built in Unreal Engine 5 using blueprints. In this video I'll walk you through the key features and explain how everything works. Please note this is still work in progress, so you might see a bug or two along the way. So let's just start the game and see what we're dealing with. So the party system allows up to 8 players to form parties dynamically, but for this video I only have 6 windows because I can't fit any more on the screen. All of the UI gets updated in real time. Any changes made on one client are shown on the other ones as well. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go and explain that widget here, what everything is and what's the purpose of it. So on the top here we've got label. This is just to distinguish between the server, which is the host of the game, and the clients. If I just make it smaller again, you can see everybody else is a client here, but this guy is a server. Then we've got the player name, self-explanatory really. Then we've got some debugging stuff. This is the status, whether we are in a party or not, whether we sent any invites. So if I do one, it's going to change to yes. And if we have been invited to a party by another player, that's going to show as well. So if we're just going to do that, we can see this guy is called Unreal. And if we just go to this guy, he's called Engine. And if you just send him an invite, you can see this changes to yes. And we also have these windows here that show us the current status of our sent invites and pending invites, and you can send as many as you like, cancel them, and it's all showing as it should. We've got the party leader label. This is going to be assigned when we join a party, so that's it. And below that we have a color, and this color is quite important because it's going to represent our party, how it's shown to everybody else. This is going to make sense in a minute, but for the moment just trust it's important. Then we've got the current ID. This is used primarily to assign the colors I've mentioned just here, but it's also very important when it comes to sorting our player list in alphabetical order. So as you can see, all the players are in order. If I just stop the game and start it again, you're going to be able to see that the position of the players keeps changing dynamically. Hopefully that's going to be visible. So as you can see in this example, Blueprint was the last player to join in, but he still ended up being the first one on the list instead of being the last one. So let's just close it again and give it another go. Yeah, so that's that. Yeah, and below that you've got your party list. That's all the players in the game and their names, their status, so whether they are a player or a host, and the party status as well. So if we send an invite to player Blueprint, his flags get set to that, and he can do stuff based off that. Okay, let me just look at my notes really quickly. Okay. Yeah. So every time you send an invite, the UIs get updated on the target. So let's just go slowly through this. Our name's Unreal. We're going to send an invite to the guy called Blueprint. He's up here. As we can see, now we can accept the invite. There's no function to delete that invite or anything like that. You can either accept it or just ignore it. Okay. These invites are also going to get cancelled when we form a party. So as you can see, we are updated now. We're showing who in party with, plus who's the leader, and our flag gets changed as well. And same here. We can. Oh, another thing I want to mention. Even though that color here, this is how our party is represented. It's a black color because this guy is a party leader. You can see it here. He's the party, so our color is black. If I expand this party and instead invite Unreal from this guy, and this guy's color is yellow, so if I accept, see everybody else's UI gets updated with color of the party leader. Oh, and you can also see that party leader name has been updated here. So if we again leave the party, you can see everybody's going back to how it was when we first joined the game. And if we do that again, now we can see the party leader's name is Unreal. Okay, let me go back. Okay, now maybe a bit about how it's been sorted. So when we join a party, let's just use the same example. On the top, we're always going to have our party members. Below that, we're going to have any other people in any other party. So for this example, let's just create another party between Queen and Cube. So as you can see, we've created another party here. So it says here in another party, obviously we cannot invite them because they are in a different party. There's no merging. They either got to leave and join our party when invited, or just stay like that. Okay, and so yeah, on top we've got our party members. Then we've got any other party. If there's, for example, another party down there, they're all going to be shown like that. See, they're also in alphabetical order in this party window itself. Okay, let's drop that party back. So, see, it's all gone back to how it was just a second ago. They are not now in party. What else we can do? What we can do is we can invite other people to our party, and it doesn't matter if we are a party leader or if we are a party member, we can send an invite. So for example, let's send an invite to Engine. As you can see, this now has changed and they can accept our invite, and also showing a flag here who has invited us. And if I cancel that, it goes back to its previous state, so there's nothing to click on. So let's do that again, and if we accept it now, as you can see, our party has updated. Now we are in party with both Blueprint and Unreal, and this is reflected on the other guys as well. And over here, the same way. For some reason, this didn't quite work the way it should. So this is one of the bugs I mentioned before, but like I said, still work in progress. So hopefully I'll get that sorted the next couple of days. But for the time being, let's just leave it how it is. So let's just go back to having no parties at all. Next thing we can do, example, if we sent, say we sent 2 invites to this guy and this guy, but we have also received 2 invites. So now, depending who we're going to join party with, everything else is going to get cancelled. So, for example, we have invited Blueprint. If we click accept, this sent invite is going to get cancelled. I had this working before with late invites, meaning they would persist even after you joined the party. So you could invite all the players at the start of the game, and they could just join, and you can get on with the game, or So let's just do. Oh, and also all these that are pending invites, these gonna get cancelled as well, because once we are in a party, we obviously are not able to make another one with a different place. So let's just click accept, and now all these are gonna get cancelled or changed appropriately. Plus all these gonna get cleared as well as these. There we go. So at least this part's working well. Let's just show this again. So we're gonna send an invite to this guy, and let's send an invite to this guy. Oh, double click there, and let's invite this guy here, but this time let's also send an invite to 2 players there, so you can see the UI is changing at the bottom. And then let's also have somebody else send us an invite, but we still gotta accept this first invite. It doesn't matter which one you accept. Actually, we could accept this one, and let's actually do that. So we're gonna form a party with Quinn, and everything else should get cancelled. And we have another bag. That's not good. That's not good at all. But oh well, work in progress. Let's just cancel that. Oh, and they're not coming back. Okay, so let's just try and do that. Okay. See, because they are dynamically regenerated, like recreated per se, we can always restore the right state. But yeah, I think that pretty much summarizes everything. What else can I show? Yeah, let's make maybe one massive party with everybody in it. Let's just keep inviting everybody. Nope, don't accept here. So yeah, as you can see, now we are in party with everybody. We are all green. Our leader's blueprint, which yeah, here's him. The only thing that doesn't work at the moment is you cannot leave the party as a leader, because I'll have to reassign a new leader, and I just haven't got the time to do it quite yet. So if you do that, you just get a print string that we are unable to do that. But everybody else, they can just leave their parties as normal. I'll just play around and maybe make some more parties. Make a party here. Yeah, so as you can see, there's a bag or two in there still. But I'm probably going to transfer everything to a fresh project, clean all the functions, and then try and debug these areas. But because I have this video now, I shouldn't be much of a problem. Oh yeah, no, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, please post them below. If you have any comments, leave them down below as well.